Jackson survived the fire. Uyaphila while everyone thought he didn't make it. No one survived. But Martha feels betrayed and says that it's over. She's done. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So Martha came to Jackson's rescue. Hey, if it wasn't for Martha, Jackson would have burned to death in that house. Everyone was convinced that Jackson is dead, Martha is dead. Uphilile angasathukanga with the daughter becekile nje nomandla ukuthi hawu it means ke uJackson noMartha they are gone. Kanti bazovuka esibhedlela, they made it out. Jackson athi yo sithando sami yazi I owe you my life, I can't believe you saved me. Kwenzekeni vele uMartha athi you supposed to tell me, why did I find you half naked, covering igazi and then having animal bones and all that. I confess ukuthi he was working with Ncuka to get my powers kaSiza. Acasuke uMartha athi, why did you continue doing that while I asked you not to do it? As a Jackson, I can never trust you again. It's over, we're done. Ancenge ke uJackson athi yazini futhi maphuma la I don't want you at the hotel. Asazi ke ukuthi uMartha is really done with Jackson or she'll come around. Athi nje nalamandla ngisawafuna, I just want you. Athi what, I don't know if I can trust you ever again, Jackson. And then Jackson, Thandiswa noZwelethini, they are celebrating, thinking ukuthi Jackson is dead. Baze sebabona ku-TV ke Jackson is doing a live interview from the hospital saying that he's alive. Imeya yabo is alive, he made it out alive. Bangasathukanga. uThandiswa is mostly worried because Jackson saw her, he saw her, so uyazi ukuthi uyena bekade efuna ukumbulala. What will Jackson do now? Ngapha uMandla went to look at the house and is convinced ukuthi uMartha no Jackson they are dead, they are no more. And then Sister Bettina, with all that attention that was going on, she decided to go to ufuna abantu bazi the real him. Wakhipha iwig, wakhipha ama-eyelash girl. Uguy rather athi yena as-expose ukuthi yena uLeroy, this is the real him. Bangasataswa abantu bamshaya ngezinto bamxosha. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.